Hello everyone. In this lesson, I want to cover 3 challenges you will meet on the keto diet. In the beginning, fewer carbs will make your body feel shocked. All this time you have been using carbs or glucose as fuel. A sudden carbs restriction means your body will be confused. When you experience low energy state, you will be feeling tired and need more rest. This may be experienced at the beginning of the diet. In the keto diet community, people call this keto flu. Lacking of energy make you don't want to do anything but taking a nap. Fortunately, this keto flu state only lasts for 1 week at most. After that you will feel better. Just for you to think positively, during the keto flu you are starting to burn a lot of fat. But there is something you can do to help pass the stage more quickly and even feel better and have more energy. So how do you overcome the keto flu? You can do some of following tips. Eat more salt with normal food, such as avocados with extra salt, or take dissolvable magnesium tablets every day. Experts' recommendation: 2,000 to 4,000 milligrams of sodium, 1,000 milligrams of potassium, 300 milligrams of magnesium per day. If you have diarrhea or IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, symptoms, don't worry. It also happens in most cases. Some people's digestive systems can't easily digest larger than normal amounts of fat. Your body needs time to adjust to this to be able to deal with fat, and the process may take 1 or 2 weeks. Initially, when you start the keto diet, this may impact on your energy levels and overall mood. And this is the left side effect that I want to cover in this lesson, and that is keto breath and smelly urine. These are a harmless inconvenience. Here's why it happens. To break down fat. To burn fat, your body must produce ketones. One ketone is called acetone. Your body must get rid of excess ketones through your breath and your urine. It's a sign that the diet is working. You don't need to worry. Keto and exercise. Warning. When you exercise with keto, make sure you eat the right quantity of fat and protein. Carbs help provide a stimulating muscle conservation. Without having carbs in your diet, fat and protein must be consumed in appropriate amount to maintain performance and increase muscle mass. And good luck in your workouts.